Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make Polaroid by your own with your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's do it. These are the few things you need to make Polaroid. First, printer. Here I use Canon Pixma MP 280. Second, OTG, and today I will be using the wireless OTG. Third, glossy paper or photo paper. Of course, your smartphone, an application called Lomo to edit all of your photos to look like a Polaroid, Print to print all of your Polaroid files through smartphone, a cutter, a ruler, and scissor. And now, step 1, open your application called Lomo to edit all of the photos that you want to make as a Polaroid. After you choose the photo, you can change the effect, you can change the frame or anything else, and then you can save it like this. Yep. And now you can choose the other photos that you want to make as a Polaroid. Choose, guys! So now everyone, we're going to print all of the Polaroids. So let's go to the next step. Okay, now everyone, don't forget to plug the printer cable into the socket. And then turn on your printer. Open the paper holder. Put the glossy paper or photo paper in it. Everyone, connect the printer cable and smartphone to the OTG. OTG is a mediator between the printer and smartphone. Now, because we're going to print all of our Polaroid photos, we're going to choose Photos and Images option, and then we will look for the folder that contains our Polaroid photos and select as many as 8 photos, because one A4 paper can accommodate as many as 8 Polaroid photos, if I'm not mistaken, guys. And now we go to the printer settings. First, we have to set the size of the paper that we will use, which is A4. And now we go to the settings again and choose size and layout options and change the image size to 6 × 9 cm and click OK. And now we're going to change the setting of image scaling to fill frame. Now everyone, the moment of truth. Click the print button and wait for the printer to print all of your Polaroids. Oh my god, why am I so dramatic? Now you just have to skip that and see the result of the Polaroids. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And this this is the final step, guys. We cut the Polaroid according to the frame pattern. Here I use two methods. First, I cut it with a cutter because it is tidier but makes you tired. I don't know. And then for the second one, I use scissors. If you use scissors, the result is less tidy but a bit faster than you use a cutter. And this is the final result, guys. Look at that. Oh. So guys, that's the video of how to make Polaroid by your own with your smartphone. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you will learn about how to make your own Polaroid. And it's easier and you don't have to cost a lot of money. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.